This is my referral link. Okay, this link you will find into the description of this video. First, register your account. Okay, use this referral code 85384. Okay, or just click it. It will automatically open onto a browser and check this referral code. Okay, if there is not available this referral code, just enter. If you will register using this referral code or this referral link, you will get extra 45% team staking bonus. Okay, it's great benefit. After that, okay, understand profit calculations of staking project. Hi everyone, welcome and each and every one of you. Okay, today I am going to show you the very important topic, that is what, how to claim your profits or daily rewards from your Nominex Exchange account. Okay, after logging your Nominex Exchange account, okay, just click here personal farming and here is select simple mode. Okay, simple mode, I have already told you in previous videos, you can, okay, deposit and withdraw your rewards without MetaMask. Okay, that's called simple mode. As you will see here, here is rewards 3.6 NMX equal to 8.89. Okay, I am claiming these rewards. See how to do this. Okay, see how to do claim these rewards. Okay, for claiming these rewards, just click here claim. Okay, see how to do this. Click here claim. After clicking here claim, as you will see here, here is two options. Okay, first is this, you will get NMX 3.6 and here is transaction fee is 0.43 USDT. Okay, see how to do this. Okay, just click here to claim. After clicking here, as you will see here, now here is showing your NMX 0. Okay, rewards has been transferred to your exchange wallet. Okay, it's transferred to your main wallet. Now see here, your balance is 0, reward balance. Okay, because you have claimed your all profits. Now see your exchange wallet. Just click here wallet, click here main account. After clicking main account, now here is showing your balance. Okay, 0.3 NMX equal to 10.5 USDT. Okay, and here is showing total 13.63. Now you can withdraw and cash out this amount. Okay, I hope you will understand how to claim your rewards in Nominex Exchange using what simple mode. Okay, thanks.